In this video, I will show you how to turn off iPhone without power button. So let's get started. If your iPhone's power button is broken or you just prefer an alternative method to turn off your iPhone, then just follow these steps. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now tap General. Next, scroll all the way down and at the end, you will find an option Shut Down. Just tap Shut Down. On the next screen, you will find slider to power off. Simply slide the circular power icon to the right and this will turn off your iPhone. If you don't want to turn off, then tap cancel at the bottom. So that is how you can turn off iPhone without power button. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.